Hello, this is RVer Frank with Kathy and Coco. Today we are leaving Cedar City, going south on Interstate 15, headed to Tokerville to check out a place that is on the market. It may not work for our needs, but looked interesting enough to drive by and check out this scenic drive and learn a little more about this place. Along the way, we will get off the interstate at freeway exit 51 and drive through Kanarraville. Kanarrah, later renamed Kanarraville, on Kanarra Creek, was first settled in 1861. It was named for Piute chief Kanarrah, or Quanarrah. Its settlers were families driven from Fort Harmony a few miles back, when the fort had to be abandoned after most of its adobe walls were washed away during a month of heavy rains in January during the Great Flood of 1862. New Harmony was the other settlement created by refugees from this disaster. For years, Kanaraville Falls was one of southern Utah's best-kept secrets.
To think about it was like a movie.
It's a very unique community. The last place you'd expect.
The hidden hike leading to a slot canyon waterfall was seemingly reserved for residents of the small town of Kanarraville. Over the span of a few years, the natural wonder turned into a big problem for the locals. They first noticed the increase during the 4th of July weekend in 2004. Town residents were surprised by the 75 cars squeezed into the land between the edge of the creek and down the hill leading to town. In the years since then, the popularity of the 5-mile hike has exploded through social media, marketing, and word of mouth. What used to be a treasure has now become a nightmare for many Kanarraville residents. The influx of hikers has left the small community of around 350 faced with many difficulties they would have never known otherwise, including parking problems and fears of contamination of the primary water source. Now, more than 40,000 hikers visit the falls annually. Kanarraville officials have done their part to meet every challenge that has risen with the exploding popularity. When people kept dragging couches into the slot canyon for parties, they put up gates at the top of the hill to keep cars from driving directly up to the mouth of the canyon. After that, they were faced with parking problems. Visitors would park along the main street leading to the trailhead. Oftentimes, the vehicles would be parked in front of residents' driveways, behind horse trailers, or in front of easements. So the town footed the bill for the construction of a fee parking lot near the trailhead to accommodate the ever-growing influx of hikers. No official plans on how to handle the problem have been made at this time, but the town is currently pursuing a leasing deal with the Utah School and Institutional Trust Lands Administration that would give them the ability to control the amount of people hiking the canyon daily.
How about the gas station? Garage and service. It certainly isn't working, is it? The garage looks open. I don't know about that gas
I
station.
don't know.
Oh my gosh.
There is a big grill here, real popular. Here's a city hall and there's a church right next to it.
Oh, that's Latter-day Saints.
Yeah.
Look at the steeple.
They're all loaded in here. And then there's a grill. We may have passed out. Real popular. Looks like a real popular heaven. Maybe it's right here. Yeah, I think it's this. Yeah, Linsky's. This here. There's grill
Grill
and
and
hotel.
hotel.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be pretty good.
Yeah, it looks real hip inside. And that's it. I don't think
Ponies.
there's a store or anything there.
Yeah, you probably have to go into Cedar City.
Yeah.
Cedarville. It could be Cedarville, just as easy as Cedar City.
Well, it's 9 miles. It's about the same distance as that Enoch. I think Enoch is out. That place
I think so,
is a
too.
mishmash.